From the universe to our solar system, to each planet, all the way down to our own bodies, gravity holds everything together. In fact, there are a lot of things we can thank gravity for. We're going to take it away from you. But not for too long. Just 5 seconds. Are you ready? With the world still spinning at its usual 1,600 kilometers per hour, 1,000 miles per hour, speed, everything that isn't secured firmly to the ground would go flying. Cars, boats, trains, planes, well, obviously, but not like they normally do. More like this. The Earth spins faster along the equator, so the impact of zero gravity would be felt hardest there. At the equator, you could experience winds almost 6 times stronger than the ones produced by Hurricane Katrina. That means that in just 5 seconds, you could be blown as far as 2.3 kilometers, 1.4 miles, in any direction. And not just you. There will be plenty of people, objects, and animals to look out for. Not to mention trees, soil, and mid-air floods from the world's ponds, lakes, rivers, and oceans. At the same time, the gases in the atmosphere would drift out into space. Not only are we now losing huge amounts of oxygen, but the sudden and sharp drop in air pressure would instantly shatter everyone's inner ears. And then there's the planet itself, which is literally held together by gravity. Without gravity, the pressure of the Earth's inner core will cause the planet to expand. It's not like 5 seconds without gravity would cause the world to explode, but even a 5-second expansion of the Earth's inner core would cause some major earthquakes and trigger huge volcanic eruptions. Add one more item to your list of dangerous things flying through the sky. Out in
32
space,
seconds into
the
the
planets
flight.
in our solar system that
The
normally
3 liquid
orbit the
fuel main
sun
engines
would
soon will
instead
throttle
start
back to
drifting away from it.
72% of rated
Earth
performance
would
down
follow
in the
its
bucket,
neighbors
reducing
at
the
a speed
stress
of
on the
30
shuttle as it
kilometers
goes
per second,
transonic.
19 miles per second. In just 5 seconds, it would have traveled 150 kilometers, 93 miles. That's not far enough for our planet to be out of the habitable zone, but how habitable would Earth be after 5 deadly seconds without gravity? When gravity was restored, you'd hit the ground hard. If the impact didn't kill you, or if you weren't crushed by a heavy object, you would still be severely injured. My back. Hopefully, you'd catch your breath in time, with gravity pulling oxygen back down to Earth and bringing the atmosphere back around the planet. But there would still be earthquakes and volcanic eruptions as the Earth's core becomes compressed again. And there would still be massive flooding due to the significant displacement of the oceans. The number of casualties would be astronomical. Not just from flying debris, lack of oxygen, or simultaneous natural disasters, but because in those 5 seconds without gravity, the Earth's crust literally opened up and swallowed several major cities. So, yeah. A lot can happen in just 5 seconds. And that just goes to show how essential gravity is to life on Earth and beyond. You may think you're special, and you most certainly are. But just remember that you're part of something bigger than you, and that's what keeps you grounded. But don't sink too low. Can you imagine how heavy you'd be if Earth's gravity doubled? Well, that's a story for another.